Good day, Sir Madam. I am Fredeline Nunez, 39 years old. I am single mother of 2 children. My sons are 18 years old and 14 years old. I am the eldest of the family and I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. My father was deceased and my mother is a plain housewife. I am college level. I work as domestic helper in Qatar since 2011 to 2013. I serve 1 couple and 6 children, ages 13, 18, 21, 23, 24, and 27. My main duties are washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, and cleaning the house. I work as domestic helper also in Hong Kong since 2015 to 2021. My main duties are cooking, ironing, marketing, car washing, and cleaning the house. I serve 1 couple and 2 teenagers, ages 13 and 18 years old. If you choose me, Ma'am Sir, I promise to do my best to do my responsibilities and to finish my contract. I am trustworthy, kind, God-fearing person, honest, and hardworking. Thank you. God bless you.